Advice would be, I think it's important that you really set aside just a bit of time for yourself for the simple reason na ito isang magandang pamantayan ko sa buhay. You cannot take care of the people around you if you don't take care of yourself. You have to love yourself first for you to be able to love the people around you better. Kasi at some point in life or in your day or in your week, you will feel sad, you will feel lonely kasi wala kang time sa sarili mo. At some point, I was also there before because I thought that was okay, giving all my time to all the people around me. And then, na-realize ko, ba't hindi ako masaya pag ako lang mag-isa? And then, I just had to tell myself na, it's okay to give time for yourself. Huwag kang mag-guilty. Kasi hindi naman isang taon yung binigay mo sa sarili mo eh. Just an hour of time a day. So, ikaw naman ang gumagawa ng schedule sa bahay, di ba? You know the schedule of your kids, of your husband. You try to integrate in that day. How can you give that me time for yourself? And then, sa mga bata, pag nagde-dinner sila, it's either you let them sleep early or you let them wait for you while you do your me time. It's totally fine na maghintay sila.